Hey there and welcome back to our channel. I'm excited to show you something really cool today. We're going to explore how you can supercharge your community engagement using FlowMattic's MCP Server with Fluent Community. Now, if you're not familiar with Fluent Community, it's this amazing WordPress plugin that helps you create stunning community sites for your users. Think BuddyPress, but with way better UI, UX, and features that actually make sense. In today's video, I'll show you how to schedule tons of engaging posts in your community using FlowMattic's MCP Server and Claude Desktop. This is going to keep your users coming back for more. So let's dive right in. First, let me show you what we're working with. Here's our current Fluent Community feed. As you can see, we've got some really engaging polls here. Users are actively participating, voting, and that's exactly what we want to see in a thriving community. But here's the thing, creating this content consistently, that can be time-consuming. That's where the magic happens. Watch this. I'm going to give Claude Desktop a simple prompt, and it's going to create and schedule multiple polls for our community automatically.
So here's the prompt I'm giving to Claude Desktop. Let me read it out word by word. Create 3 to 4 polls in similar fashion and create polls in Fluent Community one by one. Now here's what's happening behind the scenes. Claude Desktop is processing this request and breaking it down into actionable steps. First, it understands that I want multiple polls, specifically 3 to 4 of them. The key part here is create polls in Fluent Community one by one. This triggers our MCP server connection. Claude knows it needs to use the FlowMattic tools we've configured to actually execute these actions in our WordPress site. And there it goes. You can see Claude is now working through each poll creation, sending the data to our FlowMattic workflow, which then processes it and schedules everything perfectly in Fluent Community. This whole process that would normally take me 15 to 20 minutes of manual work for each poll creation, including brainstorming and writing and scheduling, is now happening in just a few seconds. And just like that, Claude has created several new polls and scheduled them perfectly. Look at this, we now have scheduled posts lined up to keep our community engaged over the next few days. Quick note here, the scheduled posts feature is available in Fluent Community Pro only. So make sure you have the right version to follow along. Now, you're probably wondering, how does this actually work? Let me show you under the hood. This is the FlowMattic MCP Server dashboard. FlowMattic, for those new to it, is this incredible automation platform that connects different tools and services together. Think Zapier, but more powerful and developer-friendly. To get your own MCP server, simply navigate from your FlowMattic dashboard to the MCP server section. It's that easy. The real magic happens in this workflow I've created. It's got 5 steps, and each one plays a crucial role. Step 1, the trigger. This is where the MCP tool receives data from Claude Desktop and kicks off our entire process. Step 2, we're using a counter. This counts how many times our workflow runs, which is super clever because we can use this number to dynamically space out our scheduled posts. Step 3, we calculate the poll end time dynamically. No more manual date setting. Step 4, this is where it gets really smart. We calculate when to schedule each post based on the number of days Claude suggests, plus our workflow counter. This ensures perfect spacing between posts. And finally, step 5, we create the actual poll with all the data we've captured and processed. So there you have it. This is how you can leverage MCP servers and FlowMattic to create engaging content for your Fluent community automatically. And here's why this matters more than ever. Facebook has deprecated their APIs for groups. There's literally no way to schedule posts in Facebook groups through automation anymore. But with Fluent Community, you own your data, you control your community, and you can automate to your heart's content. Your users get consistent, engaging content. You save hours of manual work, and your community stays active and growing. It's a win-win-win situation. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. We're constantly sharing tips and tricks to help you build better communities and automate your workflows. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep building awesome communities.